In this video, you are going to see how to insert a beautiful pie chart in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Chart, click on the pie option. I can select the pie chart, the 3D pie chart, pie of pie. Let us select this option 3D pie and click on OK. And here you will see our demo pie chart has been inserted. Let me change the name from here. Let me write here apple, write here banana, write here mango, nut, and you can change the value of your sales. Let me write here 40, 30, 100 and 75. Now close it. Now click on the chart. Here you will see the various options you can choose of your choice. Let us choose this one. Now you can select the font, go to home. You can change the font from here very easily. You can increase or decrease the font size. Click on over here, go to format, go to shape outline. You can give a outline color from here and you will see this is looking very beautiful. If you want to move it freely, just click on over here, go to format, go to wrap text, click on in front of text. Now you can move it freely anywhere in your Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.